In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add one contact subscriber to Substack. This is particularly useful if you have just one or a few people that you'd like to add to your subscriber list without having to perform a bulk import. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, head over to your Substack homepage, simply log in if you haven't already, and you should land on the dashboard that gives you an overview of your publication. It's your central hub for managing everything, from posts to subscribers. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top menu, click on the Subscribers tab. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all your current subscribers. This section is designed to help you manage your audience effectively, giving you insight into who your subscribers are and how they interact with your content. Scrolling down the page, you'll notice a button labeled Add Subscribers. Clicking on this button will open up a new area where you can add individual email addresses. This function is key when you're diving into building your community of readers one by one. Now proceed to type in the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure you enter the address correctly, as you wouldn't want to accidentally add someone that isn't expecting it or misspell the email. Take a moment to double check this information before moving to the next step. After entering the email address, you'll see an option to send a welcome email. Click on it. This feature is a great way to engage your new subscriber right off the bat. A welcome email not only confirms their subscription, but also acts as a friendly note that introduces them to what they can expect from you and your publication. Finally, confirm everything by clicking on the Add button. Once you do this, the email address you entered will officially be added to your subscriber list. You've successfully managed to personalize your approach by manually integrating this new contact. And there you have it, you've now manually added a contact subscriber to Substack. Remember, this method is ideal for a personalized touch, especially when dealing with small numbers. Keep in mind, growing your audience is not just about quantity, but also about fostering a strong connection with your readers. Thank you for following along, and as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Until next time, happy publishing.